In a land where magic danced in every breeze and dreams to fight with the butterflies, there lived a beautiful fairy named Luna. Luna's wings shimmered like the morning dew, and her heart was as kind as the softest clouds. Luna, radiant fairy with delicate wings flying gracefully through the forest, spreading light and joy wherever she goes. Luna loved bringing joy to the creatures of the forest. She would sing with the birds, dance with the flowers, and light up the night with her glowing presence. But there was one part of the forest she never ventured into, the dark wood, home to a fearsome beast named Thorn. Thorn was a creature of great strength and fearsome appearance, but deep inside he longed for friendship and expectance. The other animals avoided him, frightened by his looks, and Thorn lived in sadness. Friend one, Luna, don't go into dark wood. The beast is dangerous. Friend two, yes, stay with us where it's safe. Luna looked back at her friends with determination. Luna softly, I believe there's more to Thorn than meets the eye. Everyone deserves a chance to be understood. With a brave heart, Luna flew into the dark wood, her light shining brightly in the shadow. Luna flying through the dark wood, encountering various challenges but never losing her courage. The dark wood was filled with challenges. Thorny bushes and dark paths tried to hinder her journey, but Luna's light guided her through. She believed in the goodness of the others and was determined to find Thorn. Luna finally finds Thorn, who looks at her with a mix of surprise and suspicion. Thorn, why have you come there, little fairy? Are not you afraid of me? Luna hovers gently before Thorn, her light illuminating his sad eyes. Luna gently, I am not afraid, Thorn. I believe there is kindness in your heart. You don't have to be alone. Thorn's eyes softened and he lowered his head, touched by Luna's words. Luna's kindness broke Thorn's tough exterior. He began to open up, sharing his stories and his loneliness. Luna listened with empathy and understanding, and a beautiful friendship blossomed between them. Luna and Thorn spending time together. Luna teaching Thorn to dance, Thorn protecting Luna from dangers, and both of them bringing joy to the dark wood. With Luna's friendship, Thorn's true nature began to shine. He was no longer the feared beast of the dark wood, but a gentle giant with a heart full of love. The other animals, seeing the change in Thorn, slowly began to accept him too. Luna and Thorn standing together, surrounded by animals and plants of the forest, all living in harmony. Luna and Thorn showed the forest that true beauty comes from within and that everyone deserves a chance to be understood and loved. Their friendship taught all the creatures that compassion and kindness can transfer even the darkest place. Thank you for joining us on Luna and Thorn's magical journey. Remember, kindness and understanding can change the world around you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Until next time, keep spreading light and love.